What is up, everybody? We got ourselves the RWB custom detainer pick. So, right now, we're going to try to get into my first detainer lock. It's just a cheap little Chinese. Here's the key for it. But I was gonna try to go ahead and get a custom pig tip made for the Abloy Sentry, but while grinding it got too hot and I destroyed the first one, so got some more ordered on the way, and hopefully we'll actually be able to make one. Alright, I'm just going to turn them all to the right. Let me see. Alright, pick goes in. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to start from the bottom of the keyway up. So let's see what we can do. And this one isn't, it's rear tensioned, but I haven't figured out exactly how I like the rear tension on this pig, so for ease, I don't know how much easier it actually is, but for my sake, the front tension seems better right now. So I am tensioning off the front one. I passed one, hold on. I am not in any way speedy with this, because I don't know what I'm doing yet. Alright, so now I'm going to go down to the bottom, to the rear tension. Gonna tension the bottom one with my pick while something wasn't set right. So I'm going to go back through a little bit. Okay, that one's right. Come on. Trying to find the spacing here. Of course, it's going to be the top one. felt like I was. Alright, last one I'll try. Try to go back down and see if I can tension off the rear one now. There we go. So, as you can tell, I am not proficient at that at all, but we did get it open, so that's something for the first disc detainer lock picked. Now on to the alloy Sentry. You know, we gotta go straight from a white belt Chinese lock to a black belt level lock, so you won't see that one anytime soon.